How to pay with Klarna on Ulta Beauty. To pay with Klarna at Ulta Beauty, you must shop directly through the Klarna app or use the Klarna one-time card, as Ulta does not currently offer Klarna as direct buy now, pay later options on their standard checkout page. So what you need is here, you want to make sure to open up your Klarna app onto your device. So after which you want to make sure to go ahead and download or install the app. And once you do this from the home page, you simply want to make sure to go ahead and search for Ulta Beauty. You just have to type in Ulta in the search bar and select the store. As you do that, you want to make sure to shop as normal. That means browse Ulta's website within the Klarna app and add items to your bag. As soon as you've done that, during your checkout, you just want to make sure to select Pay with Klarna button at the bottom of the screen when you reach the checkout page. Now, Klarna will generate a virtual one-time card for your total amount or for your total order amount. And if the card detail does not autofill, you could copy and paste the virtual Visa card number, expiry date, and a CVV into your Ulta's credit card payment field. And that is basically how you're supposed to pay with Klarna on Ulta. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.